Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you review about the best selling product of SHEGLAM, that is their multi-phase SHEGLAM sponge. This is the second sponge that I am using from SHEGLAM. So today I am going to unbox this pack in front of you guys and going to tell you about its pros and cons. So first I'll tell you that this one is super affordable. I get it in 2 PD, which is very economical as compared to other high-end sponges. Now as you can see that this sponge comes with a very beautiful pink case that is very hygienic and travel friendly. I haven't seen beauty blender case in any of the beauty blender, even in the high-end brand they don't provide it. If you know any brand of the beauty blender that is providing the case also, please let me know in the comment section. Now as you can see from the shape, this is multi-dimensional, and if you have this blender you don't need to use multiple brushes. This blender will do your makeup in one go. Now the upper part, which is the narrow, you can use this as a contour stick, and the two upper side parts that are little wide, you can use one of them for contouring and blending and the other one of them for foundation and picking. The lower two wide parts you can use for hard to reach areas like nose and also for highlight and blush. As you can see that at the end of this sponge there is a very narrow small area that you can use to shape your eyebrow. Isn't it amazing that you get such high quality makeup sponge in just 2 dinar? Now as you can see that the sponge is super soft. It's not too stiff and not too squishy. I'm using one side for the foundation, one edge for concealer, and the pointed side for my under eyes and around the nose. When I wet this sponge, this become triple in its size, and the coverage is so smooth and streak free, and it really blends well. Let's not forget about this cute case. This case is perfect for traveling and daily storage. Since it has holes, the sponge can easily dry and there is no mold or no smell. If you are really looking for a budget friendly beauty blender that performs like high-end ones, definitely try this. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried SHEGLAM sponges before or if you want a comparison video next. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.